Welcome the our channel. Today we how to download eTrade app for account verification step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For iOS devices, navigate to the App Store. For Android devices, go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type eTrade. Look for the official eTrade app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its details page. Check the app's icon and developer information to ensure it's the official eTrade app. Once confirmed, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After installation, locate the eTrade app on your home screen. Tap the app icon to open it. If you're a new user, select Open an account. For existing users, choose Login. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. If you're logging in for the first time, you may need to verify your account. Follow the on-screen prompts for account verification. This may include verifying your email or phone number. Once verified, you can fully access the app's features. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its tools and options. You are ready to start managing your investments with eTrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.